guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me today, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the look from Cruella de Vil, the new movie. Let me know in the comments if you've seen it. I recently just saw it about a week ago. It was super good. This could definitely be a really easy Halloween look since Halloween is coming up. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I just have my foundation on, a little bit of contour, anything else we're not going to see. So next, there's two ways you can do this look. So just looking off the reference photo, of course. On the right side, we gotta put the, and then the future is going this way. So you do have to write backwards. So what you can do is you can either lay down all of the black how you want it, then you can take a Q-tip, put a little bit of micellar water or makeup remover, and then you can start to carve out the lettering. Or you could take tape. I'm gonna take some medical adhesive tape just so it doesn't irritate my skin. And I'm actually gonna cut the letters out in here and I'm gonna stick it on first, and then I'm gonna put the black over it and peel it off. So it'll be satisfying and I think it'll be easier. I'm just cutting out the little letters like this. So next I have the little H. Okay, so that's how it's looking so far. Very easy. This is the last. Woohoo! And the design is kind of it goes up like this and then just down around both eyes, and that's it. First, I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow and go just over the perimeters of this and then put the black on, because I think actually there's some brown in it first. I'm just gonna take a brush that has more of a flatter end so I can pack more of the color on. I'm just gonna go right in with the black. I'm gonna start the black in the middle and then kind of work my way to the edges because I don't want the edges to be too harsh. Could skip the cream paint and just strictly use the black eyeshadow if that's all you have, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter. It just gives it a little bit more darkness to it, and that's the kind of look I want for this. Next, I just have a black eyeliner. This is the Jumbo Black one by NYX, and we gotta get under the eyes here. This part is all done. Let's see how satisfying this is to take it off. I feel like this is gonna be so satisfying. I hope there's no smudges. I'm gonna use some little tweezers to take off the lettering here, just so I don't wreck anything. Oh, that was satisfying. Oh my gosh. So next, guys, I'm just gonna take mascara and I'm gonna brush that through the brows. Let's move on to the lips. So for this, I'm just gonna use a red and some red glitter. I don't have any rhinestones. I'm gonna double check. She does have rhinestones on in the video, so I'm gonna take a look and let me see what I got. Little jewels I have are these. So I'm gonna see if I can stick these on and then cover them over with red. That is it. This is with the wig on, and I just put this little jacket on. I didn't have anything leather, but a leather jacket I feel like would be ideal. But yeah, I'm most likely in the pictures. I'm just gonna edit this more black because this needs to be blacker on this side. But that is the final look. I think it looks really cool. It was really simple. This would be a really cool Halloween costume, I think. That's it, guys. Like always, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can do a couple things. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. I feel like I can never say that. Subscribe so you can be notified every time I post a video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.